How to play music through your microphone VRChats. Hello guys, welcome to a new video from the channel. Right now let's see these three methods that you can do it. So the first one is using your physical microphone to record the audio. This is the easiest way, but the worst method. As you can imagine, you can have to fumble around to set up a way for your microphone to hear your speakers, and the audio quality won't be any good. Number 2, adding audio to avatars. They limit to specific sounds and require some work. Additionally, many people find it to be annoying because it's repetitive and sometimes very loud, resulting in blocking you or having audio block for all avatars. And also for your signs, it can be triggered accidentally quite often. And the number 3 is feeding audio from your computer directly into VRChat. This is the best method you can do it and can be done in multiple ways. So the only play audio that you can have file for, the best method is use something like SoundPad. SoundPad allows you to choose specific files to play, and you can create hotkeys and favorites too quickly to get sound effect you want. No, I don't recommend you purchase SoundPad on Steam, as it always says you're playing it and Steam has not provided a developers by directly with Zap instead. If you want to play audio from YouTube Show, or don't want to spend money on programs such as SoundPad, you can use a program called Voicemeeter Banana. So that's the 3 ways to do it, guys. I hope one of them works for you. Thank you for watching this video. Remember to subscribe and give a thumb up to this video.